There's a lot to break down legally. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough spoke to an area law professor about what it all means going forward. Chip.
Guy, Roe v. Wade in 1973 essentially meant it was a woman's constitutional right whether to have an abortion. But Roe v. Wade, overturned in 2022, essentially means the court doesn't believe the right decision was made back in 1973. I spoke to one area law professor today who doesn't feel this case will be reversed again. The overturning of Roe v. Wade by the U.S. Supreme Court doesn't come as a surprise to former U.S. Magistrate Judge John Carroll, who now serves as a professor of law at Stanford University.
I think the court has been moving this way over the past several years. So, it was bound to come to a head sooner or later.
And that it did Friday morning. Judge Carroll says individual states are now free to decide on their own whether to allow a woman to have an abortion. Alabama is among the states outlawing it. Carroll says he doesn't see the U.S. Supreme Court's decision changing.
That would be almost impossible for this present Supreme Court or any other Supreme Court in 5 years to change their mind. It would completely destroy the notion of precedent and those sorts of things.
But Judge Carroll says it's possible Congress could enact a law saying a woman has a right to an abortion.
And so Congress could essentially overrule this decision.
Carroll says there could be some exceptions to the rule when it comes to rape and incest. Right now, Alabama law doesn't allow for those factors.
It has one for the health of the mother.
Moving forward, there will likely be questions about whether the court's ruling on abortion could impact things like contraception, same-sex marriage, and LGBTQ rights.
Because Justice Thomas wrote a concurring opinion which said essentially, okay, it's now time to revisit contraception and LGBT rights.
And Judge Carroll says this is the first time the U.S. Supreme Court has overruled 50 years of precedents to take away a constitutional right. Live in Birmingham tonight, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.